Welcome back to Chemical Guys. Today I'm here with Paulina and we have this super big, dirty car. So we're gonna be showing you guys a quick hack on why your towel fails whenever it comes to drying a big car. Everybody knows the struggle, so make sure to stick around. Before we get into that, Paulina and I are gonna be washing it and then we're gonna be drying it. Ready, Paul?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's get it.
I have a little secret for you on why the 2-bucket method is a superior way to wash your car and to wash your car properly. So right here, we'll have our wash bucket. I already inserted all the dirt traps inside, and the main reason for the dirt traps is right here in our wash bucket. After you've poured your preferred soap into here, when you're ready to wash your car, you'll dunk your wash mitt in, you'll pick it up, and you'll take it to the surface of the vehicle.
Then after that, you just walk back. You can start off by rinsing off your wash mitt, and then like that, you always reduce scratching and swirls.
Yeah.
Now, one thing we're also going to be pairing it up with, Paulina, is going to be our foam cannon. Now, the reason why I want to use a foam cannon as well is because on a dark colored car, you can see everything's fingernail scratches, spider marks, anything and everything, especially all those young kids that put wash me. So you could always see that. So I actually have our Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon. Now this one is going to be connecting to a pressure washer. I am going to sink a little bit my bottle in here, just get a little bit more water, pour it out. It is a 34-ounce bottle. And then the choice of soap that Paulina really wanted to use today was Sudpreme. Now, Paulina, why'd you go with Sudpreme?
Because it is a wax-infused soap. So obviously it'll add all the wax protective qualities onto your vehicle. Like this one, it's pretty nice, and especially when it already has nice paint, there are no scratches and swirls. The best thing that you want to do is make sure that you're protecting your vehicle as much as possible.
Especially on a newer car, you always want to stay protected. You have to think about two things. One, if you even have a car garage at home, obviously your car sits overnight, maybe 8 hours, but whenever you come to work, there's no type of garage. It's just clear UV rays because the sun's beating down on it. So you want to have maximized protection on it. So I already inserted about an ounce or two of soap into my foam cannon. After that, I'm gonna just stir it, and then I'm also gonna be getting my Sudpreme. It already had a little bit, but Paulina, there's never too much soap in a bucket.
There's never too much soap.
Yeah.
And it goes into the 2-bucket method, especially because with these, this helps eliminate cross-contamination with your wash mitts. You never want to apply the dirty surface back onto the clean surface that you're trying to clean, and that also goes into the purpose of the dirt traps. As soon as you put your wash mitt down there, you want to just go ahead and scrub it out, so all that grime is stuck into the, what would you call them, like little holes?
Little grooves.
Yeah, little grooves.
Cyclone. So guys, what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start washing this car, but make sure to stick around because we're gonna be showing you guys a life hack on how to dry your car faster, easier, a lot better, and it's fun.
It's fun.
Also, life hack. The way you wash your car is actually going to benefit how you dry your car because one, if you have protection in your soap, it's gonna make drying a lot easier. Two, if you wash it properly and you remove all the filth and grime, your towel's gonna dry a lot easier and it's not gonna be coming in contact with like any dirty surfaces whatsoever. Let's get right into it. I'm ready. I'll start off by rinsing it off and I'll let you get the fun part, which is foaming it.
Foaming, let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Now it's time to foam it up, so let's quickly attach this to our hose. And now it's time to scrub.
All right, so we got done with the hard part, which is washing an SUV, obviously a truck. It's very, very difficult getting the roof, getting the fenders, getting everywhere. Now, luckily for you guys, we actually have a new life hack for you guys, the Megalodon Pocket Grip Microfiber Drying Towel. So we took certain feature from the Megalodon, fan favorite, and we made it a lot better. So one, we added a pocket grip to it. We also added silk line banding. Now the cool thing about this is it's going to allow you to drive your car a lot faster. So Paulina, just throw it on there and pull it off. Look, using the pocket method, you're gonna be having a full grip of your dry. Look, drier than my DMs, drier than her DMs. But Paulina, pass that over here because I wanna have some fun, all right? Hold that. So look, all you need to do, honestly guys, is stick your hands in the pocket grips like this, go to the surface you wanna dry, and you just drag it. Me personally, I am very clumsy, and what ends up happening is I hate holding onto my towel like this when I'm drying. Look, I even dried the fender on that pass. I hate grabbing like that. Even if you're that type of person that likes to throw it and just pull it, you could even pull it through the pocket grips right here, look. Dries up everything, and the cool thing about it is it also has silk line banding, so whenever you start pulling on it, it's not gonna tear up, it's not gonna scratch your car because it's very, very durable. Look, I'm pulling it, pulling it, pulling it. Anyways, guys, let's get around to the drying process because this thing's insane. Look, just throw it, pass it, it's dry. And by the way, guys, before I forget, a dark blue side and a light blue side. So like this, you guys know, if you haven't scrubbed your car right, on the light blue side, you'll still see some dirt. Anyways, guys, let's get right into the drying process.
Alright guys, now we have the car car looking great, fabulous, amazing. We went in and applied our Sudpreme soap, and most importantly, we did do the big one, and we did use this new pocket mag to help dry up this whole entire car. Like Henry said earlier, with the bigger car, it's really hard to either wash the car or dry the car, but this makes it 10 times easier. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and get yours today.
Don't forget to get yours right now. They will sell out. Big car, small car, the pocket mag. I ain't gonna lie, it's one of my favorite ones. We'll see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys.